Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear problem reports on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So basically these are includes in the Windows reliability monitor, which is used for checking system errors, warnings and other events that can help you fix problems in Windows. So if you want to clear the reliability history, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Select view by two large icons and select security and maintenance. Select this maintenance drop down and select view reliability history. In the down you just need to select view all problems reports. Now you just need to click on clear all problem reports. Click on it and click on clear all. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.